Top 10 AI Tools for Business 2024. Hey there, fellow business enthusiasts. Today, we have got something truly exciting for you. The top 10 AI tools that are reshaping the game for businesses in 2024. Stick around till the end because each tool we're about to unveil can be a game changer for your business. Now, let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence and efficiency. Number 10. usemotion.com. We have got a tool that's about to streamline your digital workspace and boost efficiency. It's called Motion. This AI productivity tool employs machine learning to smartly schedule tasks, resolve calendar conflicts, and provide intelligent notifications. Imagine having your tasks automatically prioritized, making you and your team unstoppable. Motion is your secret weapon to supercharge your productivity game, optimizing your digital workspace and time management. Number 9. Lavender.ai. Lavender.ai, your AI-powered email assistant. This tool not only helps you write more effective emails but takes it a step further. Lavender.ai analyzes your recipient's communication style, offering real-time suggestions to match, increasing your chances of a positive response. Get ready to revolutionize your email efficiency and effectiveness with this innovative tool, optimizing your email communication and productivity. Number 8. Fireflies.ai. Now, let's talk about a game-changing AI tool for meetings. Fireflies.ai at number 8. Ever wished you had an assistant in your meetings? Well, Fireflies.ai is here to attend calls, take notes, and provide transcriptions. It doesn't just capture details, it interprets them. With features like automatic meeting transcription, AI-powered note-taking, and CRM integration, it's time to make your meetings count, transforming the way businesses conduct meetings and enhancing collaboration, ultimately saving time and increasing productivity. Number 7. The Gist. The AI productivity tool that's here to simplify your life. Tired of juggling between various apps and notifications? The Gist consolidates everything into a single dashboard, offering up-to-date data from multiple sources. This tool is designed for Slack, helping you transform your information consumption habits and boost your productivity. Say goodbye to overwhelm, as the Gist simplifies information consumption, enhancing productivity and organization. Number 6. ChatSpot.ai by HubSpot. This powerful AI tool is a game changer for sales and marketing teams. Imagine having a conversational CRM bot within HubSpot CRM that lets you interact, ask queries, and give comprehensive task instructions using natural language. Boost your productivity, create AI-generated images, and delve deep into company data with ChatSpot.ai, improving sales and marketing productivity, and ultimately, increasing revenue for businesses. Number 5. Jasper AI. The AI tool designed for content creators, marketers, and businesses. What sets Jasper apart is its brand voice capability. Craft top-notch content, including blog articles, product summaries, and emails, all while incorporating your distinct brand voice. It's your go-to AI writing assistant that's secure, scalable, and customizable, transforming content creation and ensuring brand consistency. This efficiency can lead to increased brand awareness, customer engagement, and ultimately, business growth. Number 4. Google Bard and Duet. Google Bard, the conversational AI chatbot, paired with Duet, Google Cloud's constant AI partner, is a dynamic duo. Use the most sophisticated LLM, PaLM 2, enjoy interactive voice assistants, synchronize with other Google products, and export code to more places. These tools make Google's cloud platforms more human-centric, holistic, and helpful, enhancing collaboration and productivity across various cloud platforms for businesses. Number 3. ChatGPT. We have ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, this chatbot has been a major disruptor since 2022. With natural language understanding, contextual responses, multilingual support, and knowledge-based integration, ChatGPT is your go-to AI for asking and answering questions. It's the best AI tool for businesses grounded in advanced language models, revolutionizing customer interactions and support, improving customer satisfaction, retention, and loyalty, ultimately contributing to increased profits through customer loyalty and positive word of mouth. Number 2. ThoughtSpot Sage. This generative AI offering, built on ThoughtSpot's secure search interface, lets you harness the power of large language models like GPT and Google PaLM. With AI-powered, natural language search, generated answers, and assisted data modeling, ThoughtSpot Sage makes self-service analytics at an enterprise scale a breeze. Businesses can make data-driven decisions faster, leading to quicker insights, informed decision-making, and ultimately impacting the bottom line positively. Number 1. Phrase.io. And finally, drumroll, please. Securing the top spot is Phrase.io. This content creation tool leverages AI to revolutionize the way content is created and optimized. From questions and topics research to AI-generated content briefs and content optimization, Phrase.io streamlines the SEO-focused content creation process. It's your ultimate companion for planning efficient and effective content that aligns with user intent. Businesses can benefit from increased online visibility, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, increased profits through effective content creation. There you have it, folks, the top 10 AI tools for your business in 2024. Each tool we've covered today has the potential to impact your business by increasing productivity, enhancing efficiency, and ultimately boosting profits. Which one are you excited to try out first? Let us know in the comments below.